Hey there everyone, today I have a special box, and in this box I believe is a new fire alarm that I'm going to use on my Wheelock Safe Path voice evacuation system tests. So I can't wait to unbox this and show you just what it might be. We'll go ahead and start. Well, I can see it through the bubble wrap. Let's see what it is here. Here it is. Dun da da da. It is a Simplex 4903-9356 speaker strobe. I do not have one of these in my collection and I've always wanted one. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back here. Yep, so you can see the model number here. It is a Simplex 4903-9356. And this model has a switch in it which can change it between free run and smart sync. So I can use this on my firelight systems or really any of my panels if I wanted to. All I have to do is flip that switch. So I'll go ahead and take off the cover of this alarm just to verify that that switch does exist. Alright, the cover is off, and yep, you can see the switch right here. That is that little red switch right there. That's what you can use to change it between smart sync and free run. I'm going to go ahead and wire up the strobe here just to make sure that it does work, and then I'll end up testing out the speaker for the first time when I do the next system test on my voice evacuation system. So on the back of the alarm it says that the strobe can run between 16 and 33 volts DC. So I'm going to go ahead and use a few 9-volt batteries clipped together in order to power it. And we'll just apply power. Here we go. And there it is, it's flashing. It appears that the switch is already set on free run. And it looks to be working great, which is awesome. So that's going to be the unboxing of my new Simplex 4903-9356 speaker strobe fire alarm. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned to see this in a system test. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.